Hello. Hello. Hello, Korean learners. So today I'm going to talk about something interesting. A few days ago, I said 감사합니다, 고맙습니다 to my foreign friend, and he suddenly asked me, I should answer like 천만에요, right? How do you think? Of course, there's nothing wrong in 천만에요 in grammatical way, and also Koreans learn to answer back like 천만에요 when someone says 고맙습니다 or 감사합니다. But the problem is, I thought I've never said 천만에요 in Koreans conversations in daily lives. But I was pretty sure that Koreans don't use 천만에요 that much. And I guess if you watch a lot of Korean dramas or Korean movies, maybe you find out Koreans don't say much like that way. Of course, there are some phrases I use for answer, but because I wanted to get more other Koreans' ideas about this, I asked in a community website to get other people's ideas. And here is the answers. Do you want to see that? Can you see? Here's the answers. The most common response was 별 말씀을요. When I translated into English, it's like you don't have to say that because what I did was nothing. So no worries, no problem. It could be that version. Of course, when we respond this, we try to be humble, right? So your tone also should be humble, like 별 말씀을요. 감사합니다. 별 말씀을요. The second popular answer in the community was 아니에요. 아니에요. Actually, 아니에요 sounds a little bit weird when we translate into English because when someone says thank you, then I say no, that's not. Isn't it strange? But I don't know why. So we are not talking about in grammatical way. We say 아니에요. It wasn't something special. 아니에요, 아니에요. So, and what could be third one? Oh yes, I say this like 네, 네. It seems strange, but I think Koreans are a little bit shy when someone says 고맙습니다, 감사합니다. So I feel like I want to move on to another topic quickly, so I don't answer in a long way. When I hear 감사합니다, 고맙습니다, I answer quickly like 네, and move to another topic. 네, 안녕히 가세요. Bye. It's like finishing the conversation quickly because I'm shy. I don't have any intention to be rude, even if it might seem like that. We laugh awkwardly in this situation. 하하. 감사합니다. 아니에요. 네. 하하하하. Like very often, some people find to thank the other person. We say 제가 더 감사하죠. 제가 더 감사하죠. 감사합니다. Like, literally means I thank you more. And between friends, to say casually, I guess 뭘 이 정도 가지고, 뭘 이 정도 가지고, 뭘 이 정도 가지고. This literally means you don't have to say thank you for this tiny thing. 뭘 이 정도 가지고, 뭘 이 정도 가지고. To summarize, when we Koreans answer back to 감사합니다 or 고맙습니다, maybe the number one option is 천만에요 because I and you learn like that in textbooks. But if we don't speak like Korean learners and we want to speak like native people, you might answer like 고맙습니다. 별 말씀을요. 별 말씀을요. 고맙습니다. 아니에요. 고맙습니다. 고맙습니다. 네. 고맙습니다. 에이, 뭘 이런 걸 가지고. 뭘 이런 걸 가지고. How was today's topic? Do you find it interesting? And I hope you can use one of the expressions from now on rather than 천만에요. 천만에요. But I guess probably if you're going to take some Korean test, the proper answer would be 천만에요 for textbook test, right? Anyway, it's up to you. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching, thank you for listening, and thank you for your time. Bye!